Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today I will introduce you to our two kinds of DTF transfer film. One is single side coated, and the other is dual side painted. Let's look at the structure of single side coated DTF film first. You can find there are 4 layers: ink absorbing layer, hot and cold release layer, PET substrate, and a static conducting layer. Secondly, let's look at the structure of dual side coated DTF PET transfer film. You can find there are 5 layers, 1 more hot and cold release layer, then the back of single side covered DTF film. The PET substrate of both styles is the same. Dual coated DTF film can ensure that the rolled pattern after printing and drying will not have back adhesive to the film's back, and it can better improve the accuracy of the printer. If your budget is adequate, the double-side coated DTF film transfer is your best choice. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.